fast-paced luxury, where everything seems to blend into one silhouette, there's a timeless classic that stands out from the crowd. Introducing the vintage Land Rover Defender, proudly customised and built by the team at E.C.D Auto Design. Crafted from the ground up with precision, passion and extensive attention to detail, each E.C.D Defender is a masterpiece of automotive excellence. From its rugged yet refined exterior to its meticulously detailed interior, every aspect speaks to a legacy of luxury and adventure. Each E.C.D Defender is masterfully created in the US by American craftsmen and women as a custom vehicle to celebrate the owner's individuality. Choose from a large menu of customization options, including body style, powertrain, colours, hardware, and many more interior and exterior options. E.C.D Auto Design offers over 2 million possible design combinations, ensuring that each vehicle is a true one-of-one. Embark on a journey of unparalleled luxury and sophistication as you cruise down the legendary Rodeo Drive or along the picturesque coastline of Malibu in your custom E.C.D classic Land Rover Defender. Feel the admiration of onlookers as you navigate palm-lined streets of Beverly Hills, the Defender's iconic design providing a superb contrast with the high-end boutiques and chic cafes of this iconic destination. Pull up to your favourite destination style, as each E.C.D bespoke Defender will fit right in as standout luxury. While the classic icon's exterior commands admiration, step inside and appreciate the modern comforts of customization throughout. Choose your fabric, colours without limits, seating configuration, flooring, modern audio and infotainment systems. Customization right down to the finest details, such as the colour of the gauge needle tips, truly set these vehicles apart from anything else on the market. Cruise the open road in luxury along Malibu's scenic route, where rugged cliffs meet the ocean and each curve invites a sense of adventure. With your E.C.D custom classic Defender, from the streets of Beverly Hills to the far reaches of the countryside, elevate your journey with E.C.D Auto Design. Experience the pinnacle of luxury, performance and US craftsmanship with a vintage Land Rover Defender. Discover the art of driving with E.C.D Auto Design, where luxury meets adventure and every journey is a celebration of style.